From the outer regions of the lost, God has brought us back. The gates are the gates of hell, and many enter therein. Then at last we heard a great blast, the thunders uttering, and this time they spoke clearly the mystery of the seven seals. And here we are in the second fold of a threefold mystery, and part being spoken by the Son of Man, but the other in you and me. The message of a wounded dove went through, and now he's come back again in the power of the word, speaking resurrection, speaking rapturing faith, full redemption from a fallen state. With the power that will judge you, we are lifted higher and higher until we all come into that seventh peak. And from there we'll change dimensions, cross into that other land, where we'll meet friends and loved ones and those who've already gone. The message of a wounded dove went through, and now he's come back again in the power of the word, speaking resurrection, speaking rapturing faith, for redemption from a fallen state. A window now is open, and the light is shining through. Celestial light from a celestial world shining into our souls. The dove and the raven are loose, two powers in the earth, one feeding on the flesh of disobedient man, but the dove in you and me. And for this purpose he's descended, a full cycle of time's about ended. And here we are in this reality, while Noah was a coded mystery. The message of a wounded dove went through, and now it's come back again in the power of the word, speaking resurrection, speaking rapturing faith, for redemption from a fallen state. The message of a wounded dove went through, and now he's come back again in the power of the word, speaking resurrection, speaking rapturing faith, for redemption from a fallen. Oh, I want to sing the chorus one more time, the message. The message of a wounded dove went through, and now he's come back again in the power of the word, speaking resurrection, speaking right.